It's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.